Ever bought something online to pick it up in a store? That is the essence of O2O commerce. Let's see how it works. O2O stands for online to offline. It is a business strategy that bridges the gap between digital discovery and physical shopping. Digital research is now a standard part of the shopping journey. Most of us start our search on a browser before heading out. Businesses use O2O to drive foot traffic. Whether it is reserving items online or using digital coupons, the goal is to get you in the door. Most people think shopping is strictly online or in person, but the best brands are now blending both worlds to change how we buy. The influence of digital channels on physical retail sales has grown exponentially over the last decade as mobile technology becomes ubiquitous. This shift means that physical stores are evolving. They are becoming centers for fulfillment rather than just display shelves. Understanding how retailers blend these worlds helps you spot better deals. Subscribe for more money basics and keep learning.